another video. I'm so sorry we haven't posted in a while. I'm not sure why we're taking these breaks, but for some reason we are, and I want to start posting more regularly. So yeah, I'm here with another Roblox video, Dungeon Quest, and I have played this a bit. I should have did the video when I first played this game. I think I was going to, but then I don't know. But then I didn't. I'm not sure why. So yeah, I'm gonna do when I'm on like level 6. Someone traded me like some good stuff actually. Like, let me show you. They traded me like most of this stuff I have, just not that. And like that I think it was. And that. And then all the rest they traded me. So thank you to them. I want to give them a shout out. But I forgot their name. So yeah. So I am okay. I'm doing okay on this game. Now let's see if there's any easy dungeons that I can join. I'm at level 33. I'm like level 6. Oh, level 1. 0. Let's join this one because there's actually one person in this. So yeah, it seems I'm quite liking this game. Oh, I'm actually level 7. Yeah, I didn't know that. So yeah, Desert Temple. We present you the Desert Temple. Just random. What are you doing today, guys? Like, you might not see this video on the weekend when I'm doing this video. And today, a bit later on, I think we're going skiing. Well, we are going skiing, so what are you doing? Whenever you see this video, please tell me what you're doing. I'm curious. Oh man. Oh god, why did I do that? I did that too early. Why did I do that when there was nothing to kill then? Great. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if you die, does it? Yeah, you've leveled up. Spell. No. Oh. What did you do? Physical power. Oh god. Oh yeah. Unless I pressed 3, not E. Die, will you? Oh, I'm level 8. I'm higher than him. And I thought he was like level 20 something. Okay, whatever. Whatever. I don't really care. Now this thing is not very helpful. It really doesn't do much. Die. Oh yeah. Dead. You're dead, boys. Die. Oh god. Oh no. Can I survive without dying? No, I can't. Okay. When the sun giant thing comes, I don't think we're gonna get very far with that. Are we? Okay, you go that side, I'll go this side. Fair enough. E. Oh, I did that. How did I do that? How? Die. This game, I'm liking it. So far, at least. Go. I wish you could kind of run this game. So what I want to do is not die. Okay, what I want to do is let Mo join that. Okay, I was gonna do the sword spinny thing when they all together, so they're just all dead in like one go. Hey, why go after me? Why? Why? Ah! Eat, die. Yes. You dead, You dead. You're dead. Okay, I think the sand giant thing's next. You fight them! I need to survive! I don't want to die. You're too young to die. I'm coming to help you or you're never going to kill them. Oh, maybe you did. Yes, sand giant. Yeah, great. Maybe I could get... No, I think that's the best weapon I have. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna kill this guy. We're not gonna kill you. This is gonna be a while. There might be many deaths. There might be none deaths because look how low I am. Look, yeah, I was really low. How did I not die? How? Okay, he's dying. So that's been one death so far. Die. E. We did it! Oh my god! Oh my! Okay. I just won something. Was it that? Oh. It's really not that good. It's not as good as what my one I have now is. It's big for starters. Not to offend you starters, because I'm a starter too. I just had someone trade me like thousands of stuff. Thank you. When they did that, like I was gonna trade them something back because I thought they would not like accept the trade. And then I got everything off my trade and they still gave it to me and accepted the trade. So thank you to them. Now let's see. Join dungeon, insane, hard. These are all hardcore. Easy, but I need to be level 33 plus. Okay, let's create one. Create dungeon, easy. Create. Anyone? Yeah, when I've created a dungeon, I normally keep the dungeon open so I know if someone's actually joined. Because when someone was trading me, like there was 4 people in the already joined. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You have 5 seconds to join. 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay. There we go. Desert. Oh yeah, that might be why. Yes, that's it. Okay guys, the reason I hadn't posted, it's because I remember now. I went on holiday. Thought it was like before, but I remember I went on holiday for like a few weeks, so I couldn't post then. Yeah, it was a nice holiday. So I think that is why I hadn't posted for a few weeks. Now let's just move that higher. Oh god, okay. Oh no. Did I win something? I don't know. 0. What is the point in Let's go here. Okay. I can't wait until I like one hit all these guys. Because then the game's gonna be so easy. Hi. Hello, little lads. Hello, lads. Die! Hi! Then die. What I'm gonna say? Hi. Why are you walking into the floor? They're no good. They're no good. Okay, so where? Hi! No! No! I'm too young to die. Yes, you did. You did. You did. Sounds like I'm saying you dead. No, you dad. I'm saying you dead. I'm not sure what I'm actually trying to say myself, really, though. I don't understand myself at times, and I'm on level 9. Look out! Wow! 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 Where? Already on level 9. Like that's good. That's good. Just earned a lot of XP then. Die. Let me just wait for my health. Maybe not. Yay! They're dead. I did it just. Okay, yeah, they're like dead. Help! Yeah, I don't think your health goes back up. I think you just have to die. Yeah, I think. That's just what I think, okay, guys? Is it this way? Yes, it is. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming. Easy. Should I just leave him? Okay, Sand Giant. Can we defeat? I say this Sand Giant. Last time we did it good. Die! Yes! Oh, and I earned that. I think I already have that. I'm not sure. Do I? Well, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. The time went really fast. So, guys, bye and see you next time. And remember to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Almost forgot that. And the subscribe button doesn't have any feeling, so kick it, punch it. It can't feel it, it doesn't, and it don't have any feeling. So do whatever to that subscribe button because it's the fearless subscribe button. So do whatever because it really doesn't care. But I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So